Hello, welcome back to my cocktail blog. Today I show you how to make the maple old-fashioned cocktail. The maple old-fashioned cocktail is one of my favorite old-fashioned cocktails, and today I will show you how to make it. But now let's start with our maple old-fashioned cocktail. I need a mixing glass, and I fill my mixing glass with some ice. And then I need 60 milliliters of bourbon whiskey. Here are my 60 milliliters of bourbon whiskey, and I need 10 milliliters of maple syrup. 10 milliliters of maple syrup and 2 dashes of orange bitters by Angostura. 1, 2. Here we are. And now we stir it. Okay, and I take a tumbler, and into my tumbler I put a very big ice cube. Here we are. And now I strain the maple old-fashioned cocktail inside. And in the end I garnish it with a very big orange zest twist. Here we are, the maple old-fashioned cocktail. Of course it's similar to the old-fashioned cocktail, and here's my recipe and my video of the old-fashioned cocktail. And also if you like it, you can here subscribe my channel please. And I say now, cheers and goodbye.